today we are going to be checking out the Eco Air portable air conditioner. So this one here, I got the 12,000 BTU. I did order another one, the 14,000 BTU that will be coming by the end of this month. So in total, I purchased this and then another one and the 14,000. So that's how good it is. But there's one negative drawback about this air conditioner. I'm just gonna spill it right now. The only thing I hate about this air conditioner is the noise. A lot of reviewers on Amazon is saying that it is quiet. Completely wrong, guys. This thing is loud. Let me show you guys the settings here so that you guys can see. Let me just fix it up here. So there is a setting for the fan. You have auto, you have high, medium, and low. So whenever I changed it to high, medium, low, the sound level are exactly the same thing. They're all completely loud, guys. I noticed that basically all the portable air conditioner, they are completely loud. I think the way the advertise this, that it is quiet, it's all a gimmick, guys. All AC conditioner portable, they are completely loud. So besides that, other than that, this air conditioner is amazing. I do, as you can see here, let me show you guys our place, the setup in our living room. Somewhat an open concept right here. So this is the setup here in my living room, kitchen, dining room. This can literally reach it all the way to the end over there, guys. You will feel a slight cool breeze all the way down there and the entire room over here. Okay. When it comes to square feet, this entire room here, I think it's approximately 700 or 800 square feet. And based on the Amazon specs or this the Eco Air specs, this thing can go up to 500 or 600 square feet. Okay, so that's where I attach the hose, the exhaust hose over there. And then I purchased an extension tube. Since the tubing was quite short, I'll give you guys the link on the description below, the sizing for the tubing, and it really helps a lot, guys. So as you can see, it's right there, the tubing and the wires and everything. And my favorite thing about this air conditioner is that it is compatible with Alexa. Okay, so I'm going to talk to Alexa right now. I'm going to activate it and turn this air conditioner on. So Alexa, turn on air conditioner. So there you go. It just automatically turns on. And there is the noise level. So I'm just gonna go nearby it so you guys could hear how loud it is, okay? So as you can see, those are the settings, the buttons. You have the wireless set up there, swing, sleep, timer, fan, mode, and the level of coldness to hot, and then your power button. And you got your filter in the back there and your drainage hole that you need to drain. This is my second day that I've been using it, so I haven't drained it yet. But I did see a reviewer out there who posted it that they usually drain it once a month. Okay. So that is the opening over here that will go up and down once I set up the swing mode. Right there, it will swing up and down. And overall, like I said, it's an amazing air conditioner. It does what it's supposed to do. It cools off this entire room. And my only negative is the loudness of it. And hold on, let me show you guys the temperature. Right here, I've got a temp gauge here, so you guys could see. There you go. If you guys could see that, it's around 0.9, 0.8, 0.71, 0.67 degrees Celsius. So that's how cold it is. And based on our temperature gauge here, which I wired it up throughout the house. This is my setting here. This is the family room. If I got my AC turned completely off, this would have reached around 25. Okay, so we're at 23.5. Guest room ground floor is 22. Third floor is at 25.5. And the other room is 26. It's quite hot upstairs. So once we get the other air conditioner delivered by this week, we're going to install one up there so I could show you guys. And also the 14,000 BTU version, which will be coming by the end of this month. So stay tuned. I will update some more videos since summer is pretty much here. And if you guys have any other questions, leave me a comment down below so I could do a video review for you guys, a video answer for you guys. And if you guys are interested in this product, I will put a link in the description below. That's pretty much it. Once again, I'll see you guys in the next one.